Hey everyone, my name's Kevin. My daughter Sawyer is filming this. Family effort. Can you say hi, Sawyer?
Hi!
Alright, so today we're doing beef ribs, short ribs. Can you come zoom in on that, Sawyer? Check them out. Beef shorties. Now, back up. We are going to be using salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Pit Boss maple chipotle seasoning. Simple. Dust up every side. Alright, so these things are going to continue to thaw out in the fridge for a couple hours. When they're ready, we're going to throw them on the grill. We're going to preheat it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit and let them sit on there for roughly 3 to 4 hours. Then we're going to pull them, backpack them, and sous vide them for the remaining time. You going? You're filming, sweetie? Right on. Alright, so we've placed our short ribs on the grill at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. It's trickled down a little bit, but it'll get back up there. We put them bone side down, and they're just going to pull back on those bones, and we're going to use those bones as little service platters for dinner time. So 225 degrees Fahrenheit, probably 3 to 4 hours. We're going to keep an eye on it. Some of them are pretty small. The larger ones might take that full time. The smaller ones we might pull a little sooner. You can probe it. But yeah, they look pretty good, so it's going to be a dandy of a dinner. You can stop. Going? Alright, beef shorties. Look at that. It's like 4 o'clock, put them on at noon, that's 4 hours at 225. That right there is money. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Peace.